The first one, I would love to talk about our manufacturing process in LifeVantage and how we go above and beyond industry standards.
Oh, it is such an important question because there's so many nutritional products out there today, and people don't understand what goes into the back of the sides of when they're put out. So, for instance, just to give you an idea, when we have our raw ingredients sourced, the very first thing that we do is we go out and we make sure that the activity components that we need to have inside of our raw ingredients are actually there. You know what? Most people would think, well, of course, that would be something that people know and understand would be there, but they don't. And it's not a requirement, it's not a regulation. And as a result of it, oftentimes we'll give back some of the raw ingredients that they're trying to give to us, and we will purchase only the ones that meet our high standards. And you know what? They take that back and sell to other people that don't check that, right? And then it goes past that. We bring those raw ingredients back to the manufacturing site. They're tested again. When the whole process is done, we test it again. And then when we're all finished, it goes out to a third party to be tested again. And because of that, those are some of the standards that allow us to be able to make some of the claims that we make, because when the FDA has come and taken a look, they can see what we're doing. And they really appreciate what we're doing, because the FDA is not required to take a look at nutrient products. Many people will ask that question. Is it FDA approved? The FDA is there for pharmaceutical products. They're there for synthetic pharmaceutical products. They are not there for nutritional products. However, they do dictate what things can be sold, what things can be marketed, and what can be said about those nutrients. And one of the big reasons that we go to that is we want to have a very consistent product. That's what separated out back in the 50s and 60s, people purchasing pharmaceutical products versus them going into nutrients. There was not a standard set for there to be consistency in nutrients. And what we wanted to do was be the first in that category to set that huge standard. And that's what we do.